Never miss a moment of your favorite programs with Fision TV Plus DVR. Press the Guide button on your remote control and use the navigation arrows to scroll right to upcoming programs. Highlight the name of the program you'd like to record and select OK on the remote. A list of options will appear on screen. Select Record just this episode or Record this movie, depending on what you'd like to record. Set the recording options, including time and channel, how long to keep the recording, when to start the recording, and when to stop it. Once you've confirmed your settings, select Record this movie or episode with these options. A prompt will appear on screen confirming your recording. To modify a scheduled recording, navigate back to the program in the guide and select Modify Recording, or press the Home button on your remote. Scroll left and select Menu. Under Settings, scroll down and select To-Do List. Here you will find a list of all scheduled recordings and any recording conflicts. You can modify any upcoming recordings from here. To watch your recorded content, press the Home button on your remote and select My Shows. Scroll down to Recordings to see a list of all previously recorded content. By default, My Shows recordings are sorted by date, but you can change the sort to by name by pressing the B button on your remote. Highlight the program you'd like to watch and press OK. Press OK once more and your recorded content will begin playing. Note that new recordings will be indicated with this blue dot. Anytime you're watching live TV, you can set a recording by pressing the Record button on your remote and selecting Record just this episode or movie. As you're watching recordings, Fision TV Plus will know which episode you left off on any TV series, so that you'll always be ready to watch the next episode at your pace. For more information on how to use your Fision TV Plus, including how to create a one-pass, visit our help section on gethotwired.com/support.